Looking for a great Christmas gift for your vintage sledding buddies or even just yourself? Consider picking up a copy of my new vintage sled comic book, Respect the Classics, Volume 2. In Volume 2, there's even more of what made the first book so popular. Relatable vintage snowmobile gags, jokes, and art that any vintage snowmobiler can instantly identify with. And that's not all. Volume 2 also includes full-page prints of the art used to make my vintage snowmobile Christmas cards. Each beautiful full-color print depicts vintage snowmobiles doing what they were built to do, from work to racing to just plain old fun. Also, Volume 1 is available for those who haven't procured a copy yet. Head down to the link in the description to get yourself and your friends the gift of joyous vintage snowmobile laughter. Alright, hello everyone and welcome to the middle of October. It has been at least 2 or 3 weeks since I recorded my last footage, even though I uploaded it just last week. And as you can see, the weather's still quite nice out here. Sometimes at this time of year we are already a foot deep in snow, but clearly not this year. So this week what we plan to do is start work on repairing the chassis here. My brother, the expert welder, is going to be patching those holes in the belly pan you can see there.
Don't say that, their expectations will be too high.
Well, whatever. Now you made me lose my train of thought. And then I'm most likely going to be cleaning the rust off and painting everything that needs it, which means I'm going to have to take off this orange box here that I forgot to take off before, but that won't be too hard. So let's get right into it. Well, I'm sure not going to win any awards, but it should hold together at least. Please be creative with your insults in the comments.